Okay, here we have some red-winged blackbirds. Down on the ground we've got some immature goldfinches, some chipping sparrows, some other birdies, and I'm hoping to get a bluebird in here very soon because they usually fly around and come get the worms. Yeah, but it's one of those rare days in central Georgia where it's actually snowing enough to see. And it might actually stick around. I think I just had that was a mockingbird, and there goes somebody else. Was that a junco? No, it's just a chipping sparrow. All sorts of stuff going on in the bird community, and cardinals, pine warblers, a red-winged blackbird. But it has decided to snow here in central Georgia, and yes, I have lived in places where it snowed a lot, and still somewhere down inside there's a 7-year-old boy who wants to go out and say, "Snow day, there's a bluebird." Right there, picking on the worms. We've had as many as 7 bluebirds here recently, so we're just sort of glad to be part of that community. But anyway, I'm going to sit and enjoy the look for a minute. Later days, y'all.